Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the antutu benchmark comparison between the Redmi K30 versus the Honor 9X device. So the right now Honor 9X I'm using is a stainless variant which has a Kirin 810 processor. So in this video, we'll be comparing the Kirin 810 processor versus a Snapdragon 730G processor. So before starting the video, if you're first time watching my channel friends, iTech Guru and this video, so do check the links in description for the playlist of Redmi K30 and Honor 9X phone. So where I uploaded plenty of videos on the both the devices and lot of comparison videos. So not only these phones, even also on the Realme X2 and other smartphones as well. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel friends. I'll be posting a lot of videos even after using the device for a couple of months as well. So you can check in this video right now what is the specifications about both the phone. 8GB RAM and 250GB variant K30 Redmi K30 has, and Honor 9X as the 6GB RAM and 64GB variant Kirin 810 processor. So as you can see here friends, so these are the overall technical specifications about the Redmi K30 and the Honor 9X device in terms of the processor. So now let me open the antutu benchmark application which recently I did the test, and let me compare the side by side in terms of the score. So as you can see here friends, clearly the score on the Kirin 810 is higher than the Snapdragon 730G processor. So as you can see overall how much is the difference, 2,85,000 on the Honor 9X and the 2,76,000 on the Redmi K30 device, as you can see here friends. So overall in terms of the performance, I can give the high points to the Kirin 810 processor in the Honor 9X device. So definitely friends, I'll be doing multitasking review as well in the future. So I'll be also doing on other video on the antutu benchmark comparison with the Kirin 710 processor in the Honor 9X phone. This will be the another video, but in this video I'll just want to compare the how good Snapdragon 730G when compared with the Kirin 810 processor. So right now let me open the Geekbenchmark 5. Let me show you the result of the application of the score what I got here. As you can see friends, even in the Geekbenchmark it scored more than the Redmi K30 device. As you can see, there's a little bit of difference in the single core, minor difference, but in the multi-core there's a huge difference. So overall friends, these are the benchmark comparison side by side with the Redmi K30 versus the Honor 9X device and the Kirin 810 processor. So definitely I'll be doing on the video on Kirin 710 as well. So stay tuned friends by subscribing to my channel, and also do check the links in description for the playlist of both the smartphones. So you can find plenty of videos which I did on the Redmi K30 and the Honor 9X device. So see you in the next video guys. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.